Hey guys, Tion here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the iPhone 8 product red wallpaper on any device. Now, as you guys know, April 14th, Apple has released, well, April 13th, Apple released the iPhone 8 in product red along with a new wallpaper for it. Now, if you guys also follow up on iOS updates, Apple also added the wallpaper to other iPhone 8s, but not the iPhone 7, 6S, 8, 5S, and SE. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get it on any iOS device, including the iPads. So what we're going to need to do is go into Safari. Oh, they also don't have it on the iPhone 10, so yeah. We're going to go to this website right here. I'm going to leave it down in the description. And we're going to wait for this website to load up. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Okay, here we go. We're going to download this wallpaper. That's what you guys are going to have to click. And we're going to wait again. Let's give it a few minutes. And there we go. So then the next thing that you guys will need to do is click and hold on this wallpaper. Okay. And then we're going to go back to the home screen. And then we're going to go into Photos just to see if it's installed. As you guys can see, I did this multiple times. I don't know why I didn't. Oh, I only had it once. Okay. So we're going to go back to the home screen. And then we're going to go into Settings. And then apply this wallpaper to our home screen. As you guys can already see, I already had it installed.
Sounds. Display wallpaper. Sounds. Wallpaper. Wallpaper. Choose a new wallpaper.
I'm going to click Choose New.
Settings. All photos. 23
We're going to go to All Photos. And then we're going to go ahead and click on this wallpaper right here. Next thing we're going to want to do is click on Set Both. You're going to head back to your home screen and you can see that you now have the iPhone 8 product red wallpaper installed on your device. Again, in order to install the wallpaper, all you need to do is go into Safari and go to this website, download the image, and then hold on it, and then click Save Image. So that's how you get the iPhone 8 product red wallpaper on your device. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.